What was that? I see that you are planning to explore the US this year. America! The land of the free and the home of the brave. But what's that face that you're making? Are you worried about your visa? Or have you not yet planned your trip? Well, do not sweat it, because you have clicked on the right video. From the majestic Grand Canyon to the bustling busy streets of NYC, we've got just the right tips to help you navigate American quirks like a pro. Stick around as we unravel the guide and some secret tips for your 2024 tour to the United States of America. Level 1. How do we apply for a visa? Let us first choose our character for the game that is our destination. That will be America. Level 2. Soldiers. Collect your armor. Passport? Check. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay. And no, your dog can't be in the photo, as much as we'd all love that. Good pair of pictures that make you look less like a mugshot? Check. Different countries have different requirements, so check the specifics. Channel your inner school ID photo. No smiles, no funny business. Proof of funds and travel documents that says, "I won't live off ramen, I swear." Double check. Bank statements, pay stubs, or a letter from your employer. They need to see that you won't need to sell souvenirs to fund your trip. This also includes flight bookings and accommodation details. They want to know you've got a plan and aren't just wandering aimlessly. Whisper a secret tip. Carry a selfie or a Polaroid picture of yourself with your cute pet dog, along with your application. It will make you a trustworthy traveler. Level 3. Next, we enter the jungle filled with starving predators. It is time for the interview. Practice your poker face and have your answers ready with you. Do not forget that they are just testing if you could cause chaos in public and act like a complete menace. Got everything? This is the part where you dress up. Not too fancy, but not too casual. Nervous? Don't be. All you need is to keep these things in your mind. Documents. Have everything organized and ready. Think of it as a first date. Be prepared and don't forget anything important. Be punctual. Arrive early. Being late to your visa interview is like showing up late to a flight. Guaranteed stress and disappointment. Stay calm, collected, and confident. They're not out to get you. They just want to make sure you're legit. Breathe, relax, and take it easy. Go over common questions beforehand like, why are you traveling? How long will you stay? Who's funding your trip? Having rehearsed answers can ease the pressure. Stick to the facts and keep it straightforward. Level 4. This next step will bore you to death. The waiting game. It is like watching paint dry, but with more suspense and anxiety alongside our fellow predators. Will your visa be approved? Don't worry, grab some popcorn and binge watch your favorite show while you wait. Keep your overwhelming emotions to yourself because it is not rocketing science. After all this, you might have one question running around in your mind. What are the DS-160 application for visa that people talk about? It's simple. It is just an online version to apply for a visa to the United States. Follow the same steps. The only difference is that you'll do it via internet. And voila! With a bit of luck and a lot of patience, you'll soon have that shiny visa in hand. Just remember to celebrate with a happy dance and maybe some actual pizza. And now, since you've got your visa, are you ready to embark on your journey to America? The final level. But wait! Before you leave, there are some travel essentials and a few little tips you just can't leave home without. Planning an international travel is surely a hectic procedure. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed with all the planning, don't worry, I've got your back. First up, we need to keep our mighty passports and visas in check. These little booklets are the golden tickets to the world. Treat it like royalty. No coffee stains, no crumpled pages. A smaller tip, make a few photocopies and keep them in separate bags. Losing your passport is like losing your phone. Pure chaos. Check your passport's expiration date. If it's expiring soon, get that renewed ASAP. Aside from your passport, keep printed copies of your itinerary, hotel bookings, and important contacts. Digital is great, but paper doesn't run out of battery. Also, a small notebook and pen can be lifesavers. Now, onto booking flights. Use comparison sites to hunt for deals. For accommodation, whether you're into luxury hotels or cozy Airbnbs, book early. Read reviews carefully. Don't be fooled by cleverly angled and heavily edited photos. And now comes the ultimate weapon, the weapon to everything: money. Research the local currency and exchange rates. Carry some cash for emergencies, but don't stuff your wallet like you're carrying your life savings. Next, let's talk about the most chaotic part: your luggage. Invest in a good suitcase that can survive a nuclear apocalypse. Avoid packing your entire wardrobe. Remember, you're traveling, not relocating. Stick to the essentials and use the age-old trick: roll, don't fold. It saves space and prevents your clothes from looking like you slept in them. Pack versatile clothing that can handle various activities, from hiking to fine dining. Trust me, packing is essentially important, and don't forget the comfy shoes. Blisters are not the kind of souvenirs you want. Pack a versatile jacket and a couple of mix-and-match outfits. One more thing: pack a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and other basics. And please, for the love of all that is good, pack some wet wipes. Airplane bathrooms are no joke. Get a travel-sized version of everything. Your phone is a lifeline: maps, translations, bookings, cat videos. Don't forget your charger and an adapter. Different countries, different plug types. Showing up in your favorite NYC street with a dead phone and no way to charge it is a nightmare. And headphones. Avoid the crying baby scenario with some noise-canceling ones. Travel insurance might seem like an unnecessary expense, but it's your safety net. Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And don't forget your mini first aid kit. Band-aids, painkillers, motion sickness pills. These small items can save your trip. Also, any prescription meds you need should be in your carry-on, not your checked luggage. And if you still have some space left, you can carry your favorite book with you, because long flights, layovers, and unexpected delays are so much better when you have something to read. And there you have it. With these essentials, you're ready to tackle any adventure that comes your way. Yes, you finally arrived in America. But then what? American airports will make you feel like you're in a James Bond movie. American airports are like mini cities, huge, busy, and full of coffee shops. Once you're in, transportation. Renting a car? Remember, Americans drive on the right side of the road. Public transport varies by city. New York's subway is an experience, while LA's traffic is a lifestyle. And when you are out to feed yourself, get ready to loosen your belt. Portions here are huge, and you'll find everything from gourmet burgers to deep-fried anything. Don't miss trying regional specialties: Philly cheesesteaks, Chicago deep dish pizza, and, of course, Southern BBQ. Don't forget to tip the waiters or the workers there. It's a normal thing in America. In restaurants, 15 to 20% is standard. Yes, it's a bit of math after every meal, but those waiters are working hard for their money. America is a melting pot of cultures and experiences. Chat with locals, explore hidden gems, and remember, getting lost is just another adventure. Now go get your visa right now and grab your suitcase and get ready to conquer the final level: the adventure to the land of your dreams, America. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share your travel experience in the comment section below. Turn on the notifications so that you do not miss out on these tips. Good luck and safe travels. May your journey be as smooth as a buttered bagel. Thanks for watching. Bon voyage!